Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the dependency service or group failed to start on Windows while trying to access anything on your computer, then please watch this video. So I'll explain this before I come to the solutions. Basically, there are a lot of services which have dependency services, and if they're not able to connect to it, then you will have to run a couple of commands. Now I'll tell you what these couple of commands do. They give the network service and other services access. The local service and the network service is being added as the general service. Okay. So here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open run as administrator. And then copy and paste the first command. It says the command completed successfully. Copy and paste the second command. It says the command completed successfully. That's it. Restart your computer. The problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.